There is like a huge log or something.
You gotta stay on the other side of the buoy.
It's a body.
See that buoy and that buoy? Other side. You can't go inside the buoy.
Oh, okay.
Can I come in?
We should have told you that.
Can I come
Yeah,
in?
because there's like a huge log there. No. And there's like something else weird floating over there. No, like something like concrete looking or
It's a
something.
dead body.
The other side of the buoy.
Okay.
Can I ride with you now?
You ready?
The turning on this makes me feel like I'm gonna flip it over.
There you
Get on
go.
there, Sophie.
Then go slow.
Get on there, Sophie. Oh, I won't.
It won't.
You can't. Let it go out a little bit.
Ooh.
You got it reversed.
Does it?
Yeah. Oh, the bird's reversed. It's on there somewhere.
I don't see it.
You know how to do reverse though?
Is
It's right
it?
here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you lift that lever up.
Oh.
Start it, lift the lever up. All the way
Woo! It smells. What do I do now? It won't let me. Oh.